Hey guys, it's Allison. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be cleaning my room again. It's not too messy. I just want to clean it before it gets like really messy. It's kind of dark in here because I have like my lights closed. This is actually the last time you guys are going to see my room like this. I'm going to be switching up my decorations and stuff. So yeah, if you guys want to see like how I got my room like this, where all the decorations are from, the bed, like everything, I'm going to link my redoing my room video in the description box. It's going to answer all you guys' questions. This is just an overview of what I need to do. Last week it wasn't that bad, but then I waited a week and now it just looks like trash again. And I'm just like sick and tired of just like having to jump around my room. It's so frustrating. Like, I'm over it. I really am. And I know I say this in every video, but I'm really going to try and just like keep my room clean. Also, I have a bunch of stuff like in this corner. This is all like the new decorations I'm going to be adding to my room. So this corner is just not going to get clean. Like, it's going to stay like this the entire video. If you guys want to see more cleaning room videos from me, definitely give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. I'm going to be leaving a cleaning room playlist like in the description box if you guys are just like still cleaning your room and you're like, yeah, one video isn't enough. I have a ton of cleaning room videos. Hopefully this is going to be my last one for a while. I can't stand cleaning my room. And it seems like the only time like I had the motivation to like fully do it is when I film. I tried cleaning it 2 weeks ago and I was only able to get half done and I was just like, yeah, I can't. But I feel like when you guys are there, kind of like, because it feels like you guys are here, even though like technically right now I'm talking to a camera. But when you guys are there kind of like staring at me, I feel like, okay, like I can't take a break, like I have to keep doing it. But it was just so hard for me like last week. I should have watched one of my cleaning room videos. That definitely would have motivated me. And yeah, let's just get cleaning because this room isn't gonna clean itself. So this is my room before. Quick little overview. All right, so it's 3:56 p.m. I'm gonna try and finish this by 5 o'clock. Oh shoot, 3:56, that's basically 4. I'm just gonna try and work super fast. I don't want to spend too much time on this. So yeah, let's just get this done. I literally almost threw this out and I found $50 in it. God's got me, okay? Fun fact, I just added a little stem from this flower. Whenever my boyfriend gets me flowers, I usually save a little piece of it and put this in this bowl. So if you ever wondered what that is, everything in here is real except for like the really green one. That's fake from Michael's. But I just added that burgundy one and I think it's so cute. My sister thinks it looks really depressing, but I think it's cute. I did this much and it's like, Alexa, what time is it?
It's 6 p.m.
Okay, it's 6 p.m. and I only,
Evening.
oh, thank you. I only did this side and it's 6 p.m. right now. And, oh, I have to move that too. But I have to do this side of my room. It's looking kind of crazy right now. I said I was going to be done by 6, but just so much happened in between, like it's crazy. So yeah, I'm gonna start working on that right now. Hopefully I get this done by 7. I'm not even gonna say 6:30 because that would just be setting myself up for failure, and we're not trying to do that today. So yeah, I'm gonna work on my sheets. They're really stained because I was doing a charcoal detox and I got charcoal all over and I didn't even realize. So yeah, I need to wash my sheets and then I'm going to work on that over there. Okay, after a million years, my laundry is finally done. I have a bunch of crap all over my bed because I was basically doing stuff for my new computer, but I'm about to put my sheets on. I know putting on the duvet is gonna take me like 30 minutes because I don't know why it's so hard for me. It just is. So, not looking forward to that, but gotta get it done so I can be done officially. And if you guys are wondering where my plant is, I'm letting it like stay in my greenhouse because it's been dying in my room and clearly it just needs some sun. And it's like, it's pretty hard to kill a snake plant. So it just has to stay down there until it gets better. Take me as long because I basically gave up on the California roll and just did it my own way. The IKEA duvet stuff are like different from I guess normal duvets. The part that opens doesn't open all the way. It like opens like halfway into the blanket, if that makes any sense. So it makes it harder to do that little trick. So I just basically matched like the two corners up here and just kind of flopped it up. I guess that's the best way I could describe it, and worked a lot better than before. I am so tired. All All right, so here's a quick little overview of my room. I did not take down my laundry. I need to do that. My closet's clean. I need to put my coats in the coat closet, but for now they're just gonna stay here. My bed is clean, nice and washed. Table looks good. My mirror is all clean. I can never get my mirror like smearless, so I just kind of gave up on that because I tried doing it a couple of times. And yeah, guys, I have no idea why it took me so freaking long today, and I also don't know why I keep touching my hair, so just ignore that. But yeah, it took me so long to do this. Alexa, what time is it?
It's 10:01 p.m.
It's 10:01 p.m. 10:01. I'm filming the outro at 10:01 p.m. Like, that's crazy, crazy. And I technically, like, officially started at 3 o'clock. So, I don't know. But if you guys love seeing cleaning room videos from me and want to see more, definitely subscribe. I also want to mention that I get so many questions about like my furniture and where I get everything. So if you guys want to know where I got anything in this room, definitely check out the video. I'm going to link right here. It's where I showed you guys how I redid my room. I showed you how I painted it, building my furniture. The only thing I didn't mention was where I got this. I got this from Urban Outfitters, and I think this was also from Urban. And this mason jar is from Michael's, but everything else is basically talked about in that video. So if you guys are interested, link is right here. Yeah, I love you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.